Good choice, because a ring light can add an effect on your videos. A ring light is portable. Whether you're a YouTuber, you're a vlogger, you're a TikToker, it doesn't matter. A ring light is there for you. So let's take a look at what it can give us and some options out there. All right, so I have this type, which I've been using for a while. And then I have this one, which I just bought yesterday, specifically for this video, to give you the nice, fresh unboxing feeling, right? And then you can use this type, which I don't recommend, only if you're using reviewing videos, you know, this type of videos like this one, or maybe you fix like computer parts or stuff like that, like maybe you want to get a corner or side angle of the video or of the product like this one. Well, you can use this type right here, but for vlogging and stuff like that, nah, I don't recommend it for that. Anyway, he's the one I bought yesterday, and we're gonna open it for the first time. Okay, I mean, imagine that I just bought it for you. Like, you might consider subscribing right now. Subscribe right now. I'm waiting for you. Subscribe right now. Anyway, let's unbox it. I'm just gonna remove and throw away the box out there. Oh wow. Okay, we got a manual. Wait, you know, there's none to it. It's just a simple, you know, simple mechanism. Put it there. And then we got the camera clamp thing, or the camera holder. Camera holder. That's how it look like. Put it there. And then we got the, I don't know what to call this. Peel it off. The coupling. I think I should call it coupling. Here's the coupling. It couples between the ring light and the stand. So here's how it looks like. You put your stand here, right here, and there is your ring light. It's a 12-inch, by the way. So for me, it's good enough. It's good enough. It's big enough. It's small enough. It's just medium, right? That's all I need. I don't need them 24-inch ring light. I don't need that. I don't think it. So, and then you got this cable. Let's see how long is it. Should be at least 1.5 meters, 2 meters. It's 2 meters. And then you got the controls here, right? Can you see that? Controls here. Brightness up, brightness down. You got the off and on button. You got the switch between the modes, right? We got the stand. Let's take this away. We got the stand. Okay. Then you got your stand. This stand extends to about, I don't know, 4 feet or 5 feet. I don't know. Yeah, it should be 5 feet. You know, you just open it up like this. See how it does? You can see it's not way down to the ground. It's just like right there, hovering, right? Hovering. Unscrew this and then pull it out. Pull it out. You see? Pull it out. You see that? So let's connect it together. Let me show you how it connects. First, you gotta unscrew this top here. Good. And then now put the coupling thing, screw it in, screw the ring light into, you know. I mean, the right way is to unlock this, you know, and then you can screw it. I'm sorry. Unlock it all the way. What's happening? I mean, I don't have to screw it all in, just showing you. And then you screw it in, and then there it goes. And put back this. I didn't even need to take this out, honestly. And there it holds. This is how it should look like. and then add this on. You see, you add it right here. I don't know if you can see this. You see that? You just screw it in there. Yes, screw it in there, and then it's flexible. See, it's flexible. Now you can put your camera here. You can put your cell phone, smartphone, whatever, you know, and then start shooting. It's connecting through USB, so you gotta have USB slots somewhere, you know. You gotta have USB power, or like a power bank, or like your charger. All right, so I plugged it in now, and this is how it should look like on the operations. This is how it should operate, right? So first we're gonna click on this power button, and then it's gonna turn on, and that's how it looks like. And then click, 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 click. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? Okay. As you can see, the brightness has reduced, right? And then I'm gonna click on the plus button to increase the brightness. Yeah, you see? And by the way, it's very bright though, okay? Don't be deceived by the camera, you know, because that's how the camera did. I mean, that's how the camera works, you know. It shouldn't have a lot of light in its, you know, in its lens, you know, in order to capture the whole, you know, the whole scene. Should reduce the light. So it's not very bright though, like for your eyes. No, for your eyes you're good. Okay, you can look at it for your eyes, but it's bright enough to vlog. You know what I'm saying, right? Oh, and by the way, this ring light, it doesn't do the RGB color decorate spectrum thing. It just does those 4 modes, you know. If you wanna see the other one, let me show you. And here is the other ring light that I was talking about. So let me show you how it works. You can turn it on and off right here, on and off right here. Okay, you can do the same thing. Take the brightness down. Okay, you can take the brightness up. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. All right, and then you can do the modes. Remember the modes? Click, 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 click. All right, you already saw that. And then you have this button called RGB, right? Okay, this is where it gets fun. So you click on the RGB light, and then you see something fun. Look at that. Okay, now that one doesn't do this, right? So if you want to buy this type of ring light, then you can click on the description below. There are links there where you can buy that. Okay, so don't even worry about it. You can just get it from Amazon, just buy it, and then they'll deliver it to the door, no problem, right? And then you can click again, it changes the speed. You can click again, gets more speed, more colors. You can click again, you can change the spectrum, ambience thing. You can you know, I'm still clicking. You can change the way, you know. You see that? That is beautiful. Changes colors slowly, right? And then you get to a part where it doesn't change any colors. Now it's just one color. So all you gotta do is pick the right color you're looking for. Like when I click, you know, it changes colors. And then now the color I want should be the one that I stop clicking to, right? So you get the point, right? You get the point. Yeah, I mean, in terms of how to use it, which angle to put it in, and how to vlog with it, how to do stuff with it, where to put it, I mean, that's up to you. That's up to your style. I mean, just buy it and experiment with it, okay? Just find your own, you know, comfortable way to use it. I mean, it's a ring light. There's nothing to it, okay? One of the ways. I mean, just look at it. I'm showing you right now. I have these glasses on. The ring light bounces in my glasses, and it reflects back to the camera. You know, I can do like RGB lights. I mean, look at how cool that is. You know, just change the RGB lights. You know, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. I mean, with all that being said, subscribe right now for more videos like this, or not like this, but you're still gonna enjoy them. I will see you in a blink. Oh, by the way, I'm really waiting for you to subscribe right now. I'm just gonna stay here until you subscribe. Yes. I mean, it's just one click. Like, you can just use your thumb to click on that button that says subscribe right there. I mean, it's just 1 second. Okay.